What is up, guys? Back with another video, but today's gonna be different. Today we are going to be reacting to a video. Yes, I know. It's going to be ads, and it might be loud. Just letting you know, it might be loud. But anyways, reacting to a YouTuber called Twine Cheeks. Already liked. And yeah, let's get started. That's Cat. Now that's weird. Am I right? Like, who calls other people good boy? That's weird. That guy right there. This guy right there. That guy. We can't see his eyes, but that guy right there. Him. Just letting you guys know, him. He is weird. Well, not weird, but he said good boy, and I don't really like that. That's kind of weird. Especially if you say it to another person. And also, like I said, there might be ads. And you're gonna have to go through all the pain with me if there's ads. Alright? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time. He's probably capping. Dang! 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 Damn. Now you know that's cap. If they ask for your account details, that's cap. Because if they ask for your account details on any game, wait a second, any game, you don't give them their account password or information, or else you're gonna get uh hacked. And also, if you give them any other personal stuff, either your credit card, if you're an adult, either your credit card is gone in debt, or I don't know. I don't know any of that stuff. Oh, chill. Oh no! It's time! It's time! No. Like I said, you're going through the pain with me. We are 6 minutes in. We only got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes of peace, hopefully, and quietness. Hopefully, no more ads, because if there's one more ad, whoo, I'm gonna get mad. But you're going through the pain with me with the ads. Damn. Damn. Oh no. Nope. Alright. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, have a good day. Comment if you want some more. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace.